Hello, my Jeep Gladiator, my very first mod, if you can even call it that. This is the Bulletproof Mounting Solutions double mount for a GoPro camera, and it's got a ball mount with an arm to mount your phone. They don't have a knuckle yet that you can put here to put two arms so you could articulate it. I'm looking for maybe another solution. If you wanted to mount the phone maybe further over, put a second arm on it. But mounts very firmly in the dash. Had to cut the little rubber tray to fit in. This is the very first thing I cut with my brand new Jeep Gladiator. It was like, okay, here we go, I'm cutting something. So there we go, and it just mounted in with one screw with the OEM screw, and then a couple that screw, three other screws that screw right into the dash. It's very sturdy. I've been using it for a few weeks now. No complaints. It can adjust a little bit. It's got a good spring to put the phone in there. So overall, better than sticking it to the dash with a suction cup, so off-road it won't go anywhere. And then you tighten these down even more. And this is pretty sturdy as well. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. There it is, mod number 1.